Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Christmas room tour video. So my room, I finished decorating November 1st, but I never got around to filming it. So Thanksgiving is over now. Hope you guys all had a great holiday. And so now I'm going to be getting to my Christmas room tour since I feel like it's officially started now. So go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below and let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so when you first walk in, you can see my Christmas tree. This is from Michael's. I got a few years ago with the warm lights, definitely not the colored lights. I love the warm ones. And then you have my bed over here from IKEA. So then there are a few elements. There's my dresser, my tree, my desk, and my bed that I like to put Christmas decor on. So I decided to do more of like a vintage spin to it this year with some of the antique stuff that I bought last year and some DIY stuff you would never know was DIY. So we can start in this corner. We have the dresser from IKEA and my record player that is sadly not working anymore. And then you have my vintage hats, and then some of the Christmas decor that I added to this corner is this gold tray that's like a metal, that's like one of the mirror trays that I used to have my little perfume bottles on. But I have this adorable little reindeer, this little potted Christmas tree, and a pine cone, and then the random candle hidden in the corner. And then I actually printed out both of these pictures just from my home printer, and I just went on Photoshop and added this like old vintage paper yellowy feel to it. So I know the frames are all mismatched and it's driving me crazy, but I haven't gotten around to buying some new frames that all match. So I have this gold one with the Santa in it, then my little wreath with little bells that I added to it from the dollar store, this cute gold mirror, and then on this side I printed out this little reindeer one, and then they have the same look and feel on it from printing it out the same, and then the hats, and then the mirror. So that's this little corner. Okay, so these Christmas tree ornaments are from Hobby Lobby. I bought a big 50-pack of them. So there's 3 different variations of silver ones. I really wanted to keep it all unified with the silver look since my room theme for Christmas is usually like a gold and silver theme. And then I have some few random ones on here that I thought would be fun so it's not all boring. So I have like this little bus with the Christmas tree on top, this sleigh, a New York one, this Beauty and the Beast one, this reindeer, one from Urban Outfitters, just a few different fun ones to spice it up, which I feel like really makes it complete and feel more personal since it's not just all boring. Some of them are more personalized for me. And then my desk behind me does not have anything Christmassy on it, but my bed does, so let's go up here. Okay, so I have this white bedding from Target, then I have my basic pillows, and then I added this one that says Baby It's Cold Outside from Michael's. The branches on the top are from Michael's as well, and then I added some little fairy lights to it. I have some gold tinsel here, and then my fairy lights up above, which are always on, but they just make it so much more fun during Christmas time with all the lighting and the tree. It's super cute. So I have the Christmas lights above with the tree. Love the vibes in here, especially when it's at like sunset, getting darker. But this is a super comfy place to be and just look around at all the Christmas decor. And then I have this wall, which is probably my least favorite part. I don't feel satisfied with it at all. I just took some of the leftover stuff that I had and tried to put it together. But there is a little red stocking, this Joy to the World sign, another vintage picture that I printed out to match the other ones, and then a record with a little bow on it. I just feel like it's kind of jumbled together and random. But next year I will try again and see if I can get some new stuff to kind of spice it up. But that is that little section of the room. Okay, and then this last little section is my nightstand, which would usually be over there, but I had to shift everything over because of the tree. So I have this little mini tree with these cute little ornaments from Target, my vintage camera, and vintage phone. So that pretty much wraps up my Christmas room tour for 2020. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And I hope that you guys all have a Merry Christmas. And let me know if you have any video requests down below for Christmas time. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys!